Wanted to give you guys a quick update of the garden. I put on a little lock and a hinge today because I came out. Something ate a bunch of my sunflower tops. I don't know what did. They didn't eat these ones. They didn't eat anything else. But something got these overnight. And this is bent, so not sure what that is. But yeah, my cucumbers are looking pretty nice. I've got little peas forming. Woohoo. I've got some amaranth coming up, or starting to do well, but I'll probably thin this out because this can get like really tall, like 7 feet tall, if you let it. I put in 2 watermelon plants from a hardware store. And in here we do have some fruit. This does not look like it was pollinated, so this will probably fall off. Back there is a juicy one, looking good. Got some more small, see those little ones in there? Oh, daddy long leg. I'm going to have to frame this out completely, just like this one, because earlier today a deer pushed her nose into the fence and pulled one of my kohlrabis and was ripping it through the fence. So they're gonna get in here. I'll be surprised if my peas that are right here, I'll be surprised if my pea plant even makes it, because the deer, really, she could just push her nose and grab that right here, but nothing I can do at the moment. But I do have, where did I just see that pea? Plants are looking good. See that Brussels sprout? Is extremely small. I don't think I'm going to get anything out of it. I did put them a little too close together. Next year, if I was to do it, rather than 4, I'll probably put 3, because that beast out there is doing good. Little broccoli forming still. Hasn't grown much. I'll cut back some of these leaves, but it's already changing color. These kind of fruited a lot earlier than I expected. I thought the plant would be, 4 times this length or height before it started doing this. My peas are doing well in a way. As you see, they're really yellow. I gave it some nitrogen. I don't know if there's something else doing it, but they're all flowering really well. Like all of them. I should get a good amount of bean harvest. Some of these are bushes, some of these are vines, but yeah, look at that. It's so white. That's not good. Or good. I don't know. These are all beans that I've never grown before, but doing really well. My radishes here. As you remember, I had a whole row of radishes. I picked them all. There was not one radish bulb because I didn't thin them. So now I'm going to just grow like, 1 radish. I could have put them closer together, but I need to actually grow some radishes first before I start experimenting anymore, because I just wasted like 100 radish seeds. Same thing over here. This bucket was full of radishes, picked it up, nothing. There was no bulbs, it was just roots. So I'm going to spread them out a little more. This potato is struggling actually. It looks like it's dying. Normally that means that the plant stopped growing, so there's potatoes for you to pick, but this did not flower yet, so there is no potatoes in here yet. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it got waterlogged. There is drainage holes. I don't know if it's draining well enough. I don't know what's going on, but they're not looking too good. This is my biggest kohlrabi. I don't know what that spot is there. I don't know if that's something bad, but it's looking really nice. I can't wait to eat it. This tomato plant in this bucket here during a storm, it was up here. Oh, let me back up. It was up really tall and it snapped in half, but where it snapped from right here, there's a new growth already coming out, so I'm gonna let that keep going. I want to show you guys this awesome plant that I got. It's a cardinal plant. The leaves look awesome and the vines are crazy. Like, they vine all over the place. My cucumber's doing pretty nice in here. Buds, I see you. Buds. What's up? My peas doing alright. I had the bandage that one. And I have a little squash plant in here looking nice too. That blackberry plant is taking off. It's already triple what it was. I threw some mulch down here because I know this looks really red. Apparently it's undyed cedar. I don't believe it, but everywhere I put this mulch, I'm not getting any slugs. Where I don't have the mulch, I'm getting slugs and they're destroying everything. This broccoli plant, it had a whole bunch more leaves. The slugs destroyed it. So, we'll see. I also put mulch in these pepper buckets because they were all getting destroyed by slugs, as you can tell. Nasty. But these ones over here that already had mulch are absolutely kicking ass. Kicking ass. Got some cucumbers coming out here as well. Got pepper flowers. Tomatoes looking alright. My little baby tomatoes hopefully are gonna grow. That's about it. I'm also going to frame this one out completely too, because I have a feeling once this gets packed with fruiting vegetables and starts smelling a lot more, these deer are going to come flying right into that, because you can barely see there's a fence on that. If they're running really quick, they're not going to see this. I need to do better than that. Otherwise, I'm going to hurt a deer and destroy my garden. So, yep, great food, guys.